This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, including the Happy Camper Shadow Box. In this kit, you will receive a postcard with step-by-step instructions, along with your pastry box, a piece of foam for elevating your project, scraps of paper and bleeding tissue paper, glue, grass, moss, and rocks, a coloring sheet of a campsite, and a practice sheet for your animals, and a popsicle stick for spreading the glue. Begin by assembling your pastry box. Take your background sheet of paper, that is the square that'll fit perfectly in the back of your pastry sheet. Assemble the bleeding tissue paper in an order on your background sheet and cover it with paper. Bleeding tissue paper will release color onto white paper when it's wet. Allow this to fully dry before removing the tissue paper from the background sheet of paper. This was not filmed, but be sure to add your foam piece to the bottom of your pastry box and then add the colored construction paper for your background. Draw out your mountains on the brown and purple sheets of paper and cut them out. Make sure that they're different heights and different dimensions in order to be shown from a distance. Now take the other sheets of paper, like the tree and the camper, cut them out and color them using a marker. Be sure to leave a little end so you can flap it over and it can stand up on its own. Color them in. Included in your kit is a lace-like paper. You can glue this onto the tips of your mountain to give the illusion of snow. By this point, your background should be dry. Remove all the bleeding tissue paper to reveal the background sky. Take the gems and add them like stars into the background. Glue your background to the back of your pastry box. Next, add your mountains. Make sure it's fully dry before moving it. Now stand your pastry box upright. Now it is time to glam up your campground. Cut the extra pieces of paper and tissue paper to make things like streams and other accessories to enhance your campground. Attach all other elements of your foreground, including the trees, camper, teepee, grasses, and other elements. Take the yellow tissue paper and orange tissue paper folded into a fire shape. This will be like your fire for your campground. Allow everything to fully dry and your shadow box is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.